It's important for Cat Reman to exist to allow our customers to have options to help drive their efficiencies in their business and making sure that we understand what they need out of our product. What we deliver within Cat Reman is like new quality. Like new is not just a slogan, it's what our customers demand out of our product. Anytime that we can keep our customers' machines operational and without downtime, it just goes to their bottom line and allows them to effectively manage their business. Sustainability is factored into Cat Reman early on in the design of the new site component. And sustainability is becoming increasingly important for not only Caterpillar, but also for our customers in terms of those sustainable solutions and how they impact the environment. That upfront planning, making sure that we do have a design that can be remanufactured through our processes, that bodes well for our customers, it bodes well for Caterpillar. Our customers are extremely savvy in the way that they operate their business. And at the end of the day, they will pick solutions that they will feel that will make them the most successful. Cat Reman, we are not just focused on one specific part or one specific tractor or one specific machine. We can offer solutions that they can apply to their entire fleet of their equipment. We sell thousands of parts every day to customers worldwide. Those components go to work for our customers. They perform like new performance and like new quality. It's that customer-centric approach and focus that enables us to continue to serve them and their needs.